Hello everyone! 안녕하세요 Arkies! I'm back for another unboxing of gift purchase from Moija Market Season 2. Thank you very much K-Friends for the gifts. So let's start the unboxing and don't forget to sanitize the package before anything else. I purchased K-Food Balto Jjajangmyeon and seafood ramyun and a beauty product by BR Lab last November 28, 2022, and it was delivered last January 19, 2023, and I'm sorry I just uploaded it today, so enjoy the rest of the videos. There you have it, the unboxing of my Moija gifts. So check the link below for the Cookbang and Mukbang of Jjajangmyeon and Ramyeon. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.